Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is your host Dost Shans. Actually, I'm liking this name Shans. I think I should brand my clothes which are unbranded with my own label. I'm going to do that. I'm going to create a labels now soon. To my heart and soul was jewelry business, and then I saw these ugly looking earrings which are so big. It disheartened me, you know. And I don't want to कैसे बोलते हैं ना, I don't want to, at the same time you have to make profit, at the same time you have to give a better choice to people. So until I figure it out in a way where I can do things which is like a service, like a package or a combo or something of that sort. I remember Anokhi Life telling me, I would like to see you pampered. I think was it she? I don't know. I think it's she. And when I went to this Tap and Blink and Tap, that nail salon, but they do waxing also. And I just thought about her. She was saying, "Why don't I want to see you being pampered?" And they had slashed the prices. They had to make it customer friendly because there's recession happening. So if they were saying it is 700, they were making it 590, 499, मीन 200 रुपये या 100 रुपये ऐसा कुछ डिस्काउंट देके they were making it cost effective. And it was a lovely saloon, lovely decor, just like Theobroma, very pleasing, very European, very very nice. I really liked it. Next time if I go, today I'm really looking awesome. Considering I'm so much sun tan, मैं धूप में गई थी. See my skin. देखो. Which lipstick did I use? Which lipstick did I use right now? This is ADS का lipstick. It is red color. Matte. Pro matte है ये. मुझे ये लिपस्टिक इतना पसंद नहीं आता था बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई यूज्ड इट, आई वाइप्ड इट विद माई हैंड एंड आई वेंट टू दैट शॉप एंड आई सेड मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू चेंज इट, बट देन आई सेड आई केप्ट इट. आई सेड लेट इट बी समथिंग डिफरेंट ना. So I kept this and it's really looking not that bad. It's looking nice on me. Now it was rainy, so it was dull and grey. Now I can see some sunlight at around 6 o'clock. Wonder what's happening. After having that coffee and pastry and savory, I'm not feeling like I'm not hungry the whole day. The coffee is heaty. I don't know, maybe I am quite chilled out in life, looks like. My Louis Vuitton bag is giving me a lot of good vibes. So whenever I carry it now, I automatically have gone to places which I always wanted to go and never thought of. Or maybe they're just there now. Theobroma is there lying in front of my eyes and I have had one or two things मुझे याद भी नहीं आता है. Now they have revamped it. अभी तुम इतना सारा corporate level के लोगों को रखोगे तो तुम कैसे मतलब you will be charging the cakes and pastries which are like by 100% markup. Not only that is that staff was telling me कि आफ्टरनून होते ना फटाफट यहाँ से केक्स बिकते हैं करके. लाइक ही सेइंग क्या इतना बिजी रहता है एंड दे आर ओपन टिल 2 o'clock टू गेट ऑफ देयर स्टफ. लाइक इट इज़ ओपन टिल 12 एंड आफ्टर दैट डे शटर डाउन रहता है या शटर या लाइट्स ऑफ रहते हैं वॉट एवर. बट स्विगी जोमेटो इज़ ऑन टिल 2 o'clock. क्या लोग मेंटल हो गए, भूत हो गए क्या? रात को कौन खाता है ऐसे मेंटल की तरह? स्विगी जोमेटो. देयर वाज अनदर दिस चिकन, ओनली चिकन और जस्ट द चिकन करके एक स्टोर है जहाँ पे सिर्फ चिकन के सॉसेजेस और रेडी टू कुक भी मिलता है और रॉ भी मिलता है. बट रेडी टू कुक है आई थिंक रात को भी होता है एंड दे आर ओपन फ्रॉम 7 o'clock. मतलब सुबह सुबह कौन चिकन खाएगा? चिकन कबाब्स, सॉसेजेस, सैंडविचेस, such things, roast chicken, all the such things. They're only marketplace. जहाँ पे ज्वेलरीज है. Such a cheat. These, I shouldn't be saying this. These Marwadi shopkeepers when they do cosmetics ना मुझे बहुत चिढ़ मचती है because they don't know how to deal with females. उनको क्या लगता है हर चीज़ माल है. यू इडियट, इट्स अ कॉस्मेटिक, इट्स अ वुमेन्स श्रृंगार का सामान है. यू आर सेलिंग द टेस्टर, वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी लिखा है नॉट फॉर सेल एंड यू आर सेलिंग. ही सिंग आप यूज़ मत करो. देन ही सिंग फोटोग्राफ मत लो. आई एम गोना ऑफिशियली कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट दिस पर्सन. ही यूज्ड टू डू दैट अर्लियर ऑल्सो. मैंने बोला यहाँ से चिंदीगिरी करेगा, वहाँ तुम्हारे पता नहीं फैमिली मेम्बर्स बीमार होके और कितने लाखों रुपए तुम्हारे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे किसी किसी चीज़ में. शुड नॉट बी डूइंग सच चिंदीगिरी. इट्स अ टेस्टर, लेट पीपल अप्लाई, सी वॉट द शेड इज. तुम उसको भी बेच रहे हो, इतनी चिंदी हो तुम. डिस्गस्टिंग. I'm happy with this lipstick. Today I found a lipstick called Potato and it was a liquid matte shade. वो चौक है ना वहाँ पे स्टेशनरी कम कॉस्मेटिक्स और वो आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी बेच रहा. फर्स्ट टाइम आई आस्क्ड हिम कि आपके पास शुगर है, तो ही डिडंट से येस और नो, ही सेइंग हाँ है. एंड ही शोड मी सम अदर ब्रांड्स लाइक मिस क्लेयर एंड ऑल. नाउ इट इज़ बिकम 295 एंड आई हैड परचेस्ड इट वाज 225. आई सेड ये बिल्कुल भी वर्थ इट नहीं है मिस क्लेयर. They'll say it's international, it is manufactured very much in Bombay, but they will put some name of another country. Imported. I felt like laughing on their faces. I said I'm in touch with the main HR department जो manufacture करते हैं. Under them they have other cosmetics and other products also. So when you get shady kind of specifications on the product, you should understand. And I'm a research person. It's not that I wanted to waste my time because I had used Miss Claire lipstick twice. एक बार पर्पल ज्वेल यूज़ किया था और एक मर्व शेड यूज़ किया था. तो आई वॉज नॉट रियली वेरी हैप्पी. दे वेरी लाइट एंड क्रीमी. मतलब आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद देम, बट ठीक है, इट वॉज समथिंग. आई लाइक दैट शेड, दैट पर्पल ज्वेल शेड जो था ना, मुझे अच्छा लगा. बट इट वॉज नॉट लाइक आउटस्टैंडिंग. माई फेस इज लुकिंग क्यूट. दिस इज माई सेकेंड हेयर कट. और मे बी मेरे अंदर इतने सारे गुड वाइब्स है कि मैंने व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सपेंसिव कैफ़े, इतना याद रखना कि दे आर कंसिडरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व इन इट. इतने सारे एम्प्लॉयज़, इतना सारा लॉजिस्टिक्स, इतना सारा ब्रांडिंग. It's better to eat something from a local bakery once in a while. If somebody is treating you, don't mind. Today I wanted to see this Theobroma myself because they have made a lot of changes since last year also. Earlier they used to keep breads. Now they don't keep breads. They keep heavily priced sandwiches. You won't believe. Let me tell you one thing. My trendy Thursday is going viral. Within 1 hour, 918 views. Within 1 hour. I can't believe shorts. ये लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट है मेरा कि मैंने एक शॉर्ट्स अपलोड किया. वो शॉर्ट्स बाय मिस्टेक एक्सीडेंटली बन गया बिकॉज आई वॉज फिल्मिंग इट एंड देन वो फटाक से कट गया, तो वो शॉर्ट्स बन गया. सो आई अपलोडेड इट. विद इन 1 hour 917 व्यूज़. मैं शॉक हो गई. वॉट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स विच इज़ द लीस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड रिस्पॉन्स, ये. एंड यू कैनॉट चेंज द थंबनेल्स. पहले यू कुड चेंज द थंबनेल्स, नाउ यू कैनॉट चेंज द थंबनेल्स. तो टेढ़े मेढ़े चेहरे आ जाते हैं थंबनेल में. सीरियसली, आई थिंक दे आर डूइंग इट ऑन पर्पस. गाइस, मुझे 1000 सब्स के लिए ओनली 170 सब्स अभी बाकी है. यार कम ऑन यार, सपोर्ट मी. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मज़े लूट के कंटेंट देख रहे हो यार. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब ऑल्सो. एटलीस्ट पुट सम लाइक. वो हैंडफुल ऑफ पीपल ही मुझे लाइक्स दे रहे हैं. आधे ऑन माई पे रोल. डोंट बी सो मीन, ओके. एंड पीपल फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज, वॉट आर दे डूइंग? आई एम टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश. आई एम श्योर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड इट. You all can also like and subscribe. You all can see the Indian culture, the Mumbai, the city of Mumbai, how people live. A day in the life of a Mumbai girl. Sorry, I don't run around catching trains and buses. I've done that in the past 20 years ago. No more. I would not repeat it. That's the reason why I don't even like to catch public transport, not even a rickshaw. Wherever it's within 1 or 2 kilometers, I go walking. 1, 2, 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers. Even if I have to go to Sakinaka, पीछे के रास्ते से it's 1 kilometer. I can reach Sakinaka Chandevli, पीछे के रास्ते से 1 kilometer from my home. I can go to Sakinaka metro station, that is 1.5 kilometer from my home. Marol and airport road का जो भी है, there are 3 metro stations. I can take one of them, but the nearest one is Marol. Then there is airport also ना, airport का भी है. That is 1.5 kilometer, almost 2 kilometers. This is Sakinaka is also 1.5. This is also 1.5. So this is like an epicenter. But that doesn't mean one goes walking that much, because there are plenty of challenges like that. But if you go to airport अंदर के रास्ते से behind the church का church road, then बोरी कॉलोनी आता है, वो वाला रास्ता पकड़ेंगे ना, then it comes straight to airport metro station. I have been tanned. I did not take the umbrella. I don't use the sunscreen. I'm just the way I am. It's like when you're not too bothered about yourself, na. Not that I wanted to go sun tanning, and there are a couple of things I wanted to arrange, like a nameplate for my home. Now slowly I'm like doing things. How nice it is to label your own clothes, right? Those unbranded ones. I want to do that. And I wanted to get a coffee mug, so I went to DMart. Now I did not find the same color and the same thing. I think it went off. It was a good one. I hope next time when I go I find it. And I told the Theobroma people I'm not going to drink from these disposable cups anymore. Next time I want to go to a cafe or something and I see these disposable things, now I'm just going to carry. Why am I carrying this luggage? So that I can carry my copper tumbler, water to drink, all my stuff, accessories, comb, mobile, my huge pouch, everything fits in it. And the early morning today I was deciding not to take the shower and come back and take the shower, but taking a shower makes a lot of difference, lots and lots of difference. I've seen that myself. Today I was talking to that uncle from Nana Nani Park about ghosts and all that. So he told me that this RA is haunted. He doesn't have to tell me, I understand. He's saying leopards are there, then snakes are coming in. I said it's a jungle, so naturally snakes will be there now. And leopard, he's saying he has seen live leopard. He was about to jump on him, but it jumped on another lady. He's saying early morning he used to go 5:30 in the morning. I said even I used to go 5:30, but I think it's pretty unsafe, so I stopped going. Early morning 5:30 and all. After 6:30 is much better. Between 6:15 and 6:30, when you're reaching there, it's okay. Too very early morning also doesn't make sense. Then he told me about some stories, haunted stories. I said, yeah, I agree, because it's a jungle, so you will find all kinds of things in the night. Yes, all kinds of things. All kinds of visions, all kinds of things. I'm smiling because I want to click this snap like this. Okay, guys, okay, girls. What else? I'm just happy by myself. Sir is telling me again that asshole's coming back in your life. I had such, okay. And he's like, don't put all the eggs in the basket. I said, there is no eggs and there's no basket. Then he's like, there are so many people in. I said, I am not interested in so many people being interested in me. I'm interested in a person who is capable of a relationship. There are younger people. It's always been like this, that I've always attracted people who are younger to me by half my age sometimes. So I am not fascinated with it anymore. I appreciate the attention, but thank you very much. I'm not carried away. I've had such lousy experiences with people of my age also, that now I'm like, I told sir, I'm happy. Being alone is a luxury and I'm enjoying it, rather than being with toxic people and negative people and energy vampires and all kinds of panvati and bad luck and bad omen. I rather be alone. I said these walls are my best friends. God above and these walls. I'm not looking forward for anything. My day begins with my God. My every action, thought, word, I offer it to him and I say sorry also. अगर मैं कुछ गलत बोलती हूँ, गलत करती हूँ, ऐसा मुझे माफ़ कर दो. I'm a human being. But this is what I feel. You should be clear with your God also. So there are a lot of blessings. इमेजिन, ये लिपस्टिक मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आता था. मैंने कभी ख़रीदा ये दिसंबर या जनवरी में ख़रीदा था. मैंने नेवर लाइक्ड इट. आई वाइप्ड इट लाइक दिस. मुझे गुस्सा आया. नॉट दैट इट इज़ कॉस्टिंग मोर, बट it's not about the cost factor also. I think 50, he said, you'll get 2 for 100. I said, first let me try one. And I used to use this ADS in the Gulf as for nail polish. मैंने लिपस्टिक्स उसके यूज़ नहीं किए होंगे, लिपस्टिक पेंसिल्स यूज़ किए होंगे, लेकिन ये लिपस्टिक मुझे अच्छा लगा. दिस वॉज दी ओनली वन विच द शेड वॉज लाइक वाओ. Potato lipstick. It's 100 rupees. I bought a Ayurvedic soap. If I can find, if I can find it, can I find it? I will show it to you all for 40 rupees. Quite a good brand. So I'm going to use soaps sometimes. When I'm oiling my hair, I'm going to use soap. Or when I'm doing spa, my first thing will be soap and then my shampoo. I bought it from an Ayurvedic store. Just telling you, I'll go to a physical store. I don't know why people order from a cafe. You stupid. You must sit and enjoy the ambience. You should eat it fresh. You know, when I entered, उनका shop open होता है. They are open 2 o'clock in the morning. Na? Then they open at 7 o'clock to get in the stocks. But still I went in at 7:45. They are officially opened at 8 o'clock because तब तक उनका logistics ही चलता रहता है. Clearing of the stock, getting new inventory, making an inventory, taking off the old one, getting in the restocking. So actually they don't allow, but I said नहीं, I'm going to have something. तो 7:45 fresh, जैसे वो वैन से आया वैसे मुझे मिल गया था वो खाने के लिए. So that is the reason why wherever I go I like to have fresh. So tomorrow I might have misal pav. So I am the kind who uses all fresh. How can you have coffee order करके? It's going to be so flat. I don't know, I don't understand this concept of 10 minutes delivery. People have become stupid and idiots look like. Too much of admiring myself. Okay guys, take care of yourself. Love you.